So this is an example of a bad practice while waiting with using Thread.sleep. So this waits exactly 10 seconds even if it's not needed. So hello world appears, but it still waits for 10 seconds. Okay, now this is a good example of wait, which is using WebDriver wait, which is it's essentially an explicit wait. So you create a new WebDriver wait object, and then we will wait until the element is visible, and then it will close. So you see, as soon as hello world appears, the page closes.